Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to close an Trade account. Gather your account number, ID, and decide whether to transfer assets or withdraw cash before you begin. Also check for outstanding orders, pending funds, or tax forms that could delay closure. This quick prep keeps the process smooth and prevents accidental sales or fees. I'm going to walk you through each step clearly and calmly so you can finish confidently. Start by choosing how to move your money, transfer accounts, or withdraw cash. If you use a CATS, expect settlement timing and possible transfer fees. Selling may be quicker, but triggers tax reporting like Form 1099. Confirm destination account details to avoid delays and keep records of transactions for taxes. I'll explain which option fits common situations and how to initiate transfers securely from your Trade. After funds are out, cancel open orders and subscriptions, then request closure via secure message or phone. Ask support for a written confirmation and save any closure numbers or emails for your records. Confirm there are no pending tax documents or unresolved fees before finalizing. I'll guide you through the exact menu paths and the questions to ask support so nothing gets missed during the closure call or message.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.